Hello everyone, I am Chef Christy and welcome to my channel where I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like my videos. Okay, so the recipe that I want to share with you today might be something that you have never had or maybe never even heard of, but it is quick and easy and delicious. And this dish is for a German Spaetzle. Do you know what that is? Well, let me tell you, it is basically just a German egg noodle. Do you ever get tired of just making the same old thing? This is a way to just step out and try something new. So I am so excited to share this with you. We love it. My family has just really grown to love Spaetzle. And I just want to show you just how to make it. It really is super easy. Okay, so one important tool that you will need is a colander. Now they make Spaetzle makers, but I don't have one of those. I just have a colander, and that's all you need. And then you'll need a spatula because you're going to push the dough mixture through these holes and it's going to drop into boiling water. So this is important to have. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you will need to make Spaetzle, and there's just a few of them. You will need flour, egg, milk, salt and pepper, a little bit of nutmeg, but that's optional. You do not have to use that. Some butter, that's why I really like this, is because it's things that we usually always have on hand in our kitchen. And you will also need some non-stick spray, and I'm going to show you just why here in a minute. Okay, so to make the dough, what we need to do is just sprinkle in some salt. I am going to add just a little dash of nutmeg, not a lot. Some cracked black pepper. And I think I'm actually going to go with just a little bit more salt. All right. Making a well, I'm going to pour in my milk and dump in my eggs, and then just mix all of this together. All right, I'm actually going to add just a little bit more milk because this dough needs to be a little bit thinner because we're going to be pushing it through the holes in that colander. Now this is a lot better, yes. This is what you're talking about. This is what you want it to look like. Okay, and you want to bring a pot of water up to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and salt my water. I'm going to salt it generously because that will help to flavor the Spaetzle. Okay, so this next part goes really, really quick. Once you have your water come up to a boil, then you will want to spray your colander. Just spray it with the non-stick spray, and that just keeps the dough from sticking, which is really a nice little trick. I'm going to go ahead, I have a skillet over here on this side of me that I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire on low, and I'm going to add my butter. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to pour this batter into my colander, and we got to move quick for this. We don't want it to cook inside the colander. And I'm going to take my spatula and I'm just going to start back and forth pushing that dough through the colander. Just keep doing that until it's all pushed through. That is pretty much done. Just gonna scrape the bottom and then stirring all these around. So these Spaetzle are pretty much cooked. That's how fast it goes. So if you have a strainer like this or like this, either one would be fine. Anything that you can kind of go in and pull them out, letting them drain, and then I'm going to place them over into my skillet that's got my butter. Just dropping them in with the butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna let them just get a nice crispy texture on the one side. I'm gonna let them cook for a minute. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm also going to add, just for color, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to add some dried parsley. You can add fresh parsley. Okay, I want to show you what I'm talking about, getting a little bit of a crust on the one side. Okay, so I'm just going to place these onto a nice dish. Oh. Okay, so this is German Spaetzle, a delicious egg noodle, and you could serve this in many, many ways. Okay, I really hope that you give this delicious German Spaetzle a try. It is so good, so quick and easy. It's such a good side for many, many dishes, or all on its own. But it's really gonna be delicious with what I have in this crock pot right here, which is a beef stroganoff. So that's the video that will be coming out next, and these together are just amazing. So I'm really, really excited to show you how I make this. So you'll have to watch the next video, but thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.